Hey everyone, this is Tieghan here from Half Baked Harvest, and I am a part of the Little Market Council. I am so excited to be here with them today making my strawberry pretzel pie. This is such a delicious pie with a cream filling and a pretzel crust. That's what makes it so good and so delicious. My secret is to toss a little bit of Saint Germain in these strawberries. It makes them extra special and so delicious. And the cool thing about this is all you do is you bake the crust, you fill it up, you fill the pie up, and then you chill it in the fridge and you're done. And then you just put the strawberries on right at the end for it's like that show-stopping finish. And you can see the juices running off of the strawberries. Those are the best part, so make sure you really scoop them up. I take a little bit of fresh mint, and I like to pick the really pretty sprigs off and kind of go around my pie. And then my favorite thing to do is to finish the pie with a little bit of edible flowers. Makes it really pretty. And there you guys have it. This is my strawberry pretzel pie. Super easy to make and made even better with the Little Market products that we get to serve it in.